Hello and welcome back to the Lean Machine in Factorio. My name's Negative Rotan and let's get cracking. I've been planning, I've been thinking, I've been trying to work out how the bloody heck I'm going to get this to work. And I've come up with an idea, and the first thing I need to do is actually get this up and running. There's no two ways about that. And actually, what I could do, if I'm thinking, I'll do it like this, and this will become important later. Now, let's get some power up and running. Okay, that's all that. We need a couple more of these, a couple more of these. Now, here's what I'm planning to do, right? I'm planning to make sure that everything keeps running. That's what I want to try and achieve. Now, the key to that will be ensuring that as things move past the factories, if they don't get picked up, they get returned to the main bus. That is the plan. So, don't know. We'll see how we go. Now this here will pick up for a moment. Well, actually what we'll do is we'll just spin it around. Okay, that should be fine. Oh boy. So what I'll do, just do something like that for the moment. Now what I need to do with this is I need to get the main bus down, up and around so that I can loop it back in so that anything that isn't used gets used eventually. We'll come back in on here, so come up here and then around and back through. So now we've got that up and running. Happy days. The line's just pressurizing. Okay. Now I'm planning to run it to about here. That's the plan. Okay, that's good. And we're near. Oh, we are there. I'm thinking I need to build this backwards so I know where actually I'm going. Let's just run along and pick all this up. As you know, it's not needed or anything. Actually, what we could do, here's what we could do. We'll change these over to smart inserters eventually. That's just going to put a little bit of extra iron on the belt, which will hopefully make this run a little bit faster. Now, I've got my line here already set up. I'll grab one of these. There you go. I suspect that the throughput on this factory is going to suck, and that's the technical term. I don't think it's going to be terribly great, but that'll be a future me problem as I try and I'll have to just improve the factory and make it run lean and do things on the fly. I'm trying to think too far in front right now. I reckon I'm not. There is different levels that you need to do at different parts of the game, and when you play normally, what you can do is you can just jump a long way and do designs that are going to last you for a long time. But I'm thinking in this, it's just going to be a matter of doing it incrementally and setting it up gradually over the next however long. Okay, we'll pick these up, we'll spin this around. Couple more, come on. Happy days. So that's all hooked up now. I need to just limit this to 50. That will limit to 2. Now I did change the rules, I did say that. I said that one One full stack is probably a bit ridiculous, and I should probably do a little bit better than that. Ooh, we're starting to get some backups here. Oh, why is this? Okay. Apparently that's not picking up. So there is a way to solve this issue, okay? And it's, you do this. It's a little bit cheaty, but you know, whatever works. There we go. Now I can pick up the excess, get it all running smoothly, pick up the excess of this. I didn't notice that. Clearly one miner, one coal miner can run a lot of furnaces. Wow. Okay, so we can see now we're getting this, yeah, rotating effect where our materials are running past the factories. So that's that. Up and running, done and dusted. I'd like to do something similar with the copper. But it's going to be a little bit trickier because I've got more stuff in and around here. Let's grab that and that. Ooh, looks like we've exhausted that one. So pick that up. A little bit of iron plate left, but that's alright. Okay, this will give us that little bit extra room that we're going to need to get oops, wrong button. To get the coal, not the coal, the copper. Copper is the word I'm looking for. Get the copper back in. So we'll do this as well. Oops. Okay. I'm thinking down in and up through here. It's a rather long journey, but that's probably the best way of doing it. Well, I could always run it straight through the middle of my copper. Yeah, why not? As I said, incrementally, we'll be working to get it fixed and sorted and working nicely incrementally. So I need to really try and focus on not just making a super duper uber design. Now, well, actually, hang on a minute. What I need to be doing is that was a dumb move putting it all there. What I need to do is I need to do it in a little bit of a sensible fashion through here. Now, what does it take for military? 10. I mean, I've still got that lab on me as well. Military. Okay, I want to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've already got 5, you know, because reasons. Oi, military. Okay, once I get the military, I'm going to remove that rock so that I can actually build. Now, oops, I just noticed that that's backwards. That's no good. Yeah, then. What I want to do oops. This is just so that I don't forget. break that there, and then I can connect that up later. The next things I need to do, get more transport belt and get this central bus set up. Now I'm not sure if I'm leaving enough space, I don't know if I'm doing it completely wrong, I just don't know. Another 2. That's 1 too many. 1 block less, there we go. Okay, so now we've got our copper bus sorted. Up to a point. Ah dear. Let there be light. Okay, that's nearly done. Now then, what I'll do is I'll just come down here and, oops, continue working on getting this all connected up. And of course there'd be a power pole right smack bang in the middle of the way. Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay. Okay, so that's the copper feeding back in again. Now, if need be, I could always send this up and around and, yeah, stuff. That's fine. That is steadily buffering up, so that's nice. Really, we have fuel issues. One, two, three, four, 5. I wonder, why is that? Does anything happen? No. Starting to get backlogs, that's not good. You can see that the backlogs will get out of control very quickly if we don't keep a close eye on it. Oh, now we can do stuff. Where's a tree? Here's a tree. Nope, not quite enough. Okay, shotgun. While it's building, I'll just spend a bit of time chopping down some trees over here. So I'm a bit of a fanatic like that. Can't handle just trees sitting around. Get them. Okay. Outstanding. Switch weapons, and now we'll level this because it's right in the way of progress. Whoops. Excellent. So we have our copper line ready to go ski. Now what I could do here's what I could do, right? Hey, I've just run out of everything. Damn, that's not good. Okay. Wonderful. This is just going to smelt up the remaining bit of steel for us. Now I got sidetracked there. What was I going to do? Oh, okay. Now I remember. Derp. Right. Give me more track. Because now I can do something like this. Okay. Now what I want to do here is I want to put down my science build. Now how am I going to do that? How am I going to do that? Now I don't want to have to return the resources, so I'm going to need to have some way of knowing when not to send additionals. So okay, what am I thinking? I need to do this, okay? So this needs to happen. How do I do that? Well, I'm going to need some sort of sensor that knows when I have enough resources. Okay, so this will come here to there. Get some green wire. We'll hook the box up, and we'll send the box up to the fast inserter. Now we're going to say work whenever there is less than 100. So you can see the signal counting up, so that'll work whenever there's less than 100. We just need some faster inserters, I think. Excellent. Now what we need is some way of doing... Oh, actually, I think this is on the wrong side. I need to put it over here, I'm thinking. Maybe. Maybe. Maybe not. So I need to get it into the factory, but I don't want it sitting on the line. You can see that we've got 111 and now it's stopped. If I was to pick some of these up, see, it'll go again, and then I'll stop it. It all works very nicely. So this is the bare bones of this little part of the setup. Now, issue right now is figuring out how to do our copper, because here you can see I'm just returning it back to the line, so that's all hunky-dory. Maybe I need to do something similar. Maybe whoops, one too many. Nearly had it too. That was so close. Maybe something like this, okay? Oh, still not. God dang it. So this is where the build gets really, really complicated. I have an idea of one way to do this, but it is really, really overkill. Should I do it? Should I go the overkill? I'm going to think about it a little bit more on how I'm going to get this set up. You can see that my system is running fairly smoothly by the looks of it, ish. I'm having fuel issues. I am running out of fuel periodically, which is probably needs to be rectified. Really struggling to get the line balanced. I'll go and throw another miner down. Why not? So that'll fix it. Here we go. Just on the edge here. Perfect. Yeah, whatever. Oh, whoops. That's iron. What am I doing? Hello? Hello? Anybody there? Crikey. The comments section nearly just exploded. You goose. Alright, that'll do it. I'll see you in the next episode. Oh, big backlog. I need to pick this up. Shit. Yeah, I'm going to clear this. I'll see you very, very shortly for another episode. Thank you very much for joining me. Until next time, see you later.